Let's unbox this magnetic camera mount and metal adapter from Telesin. First, i-check muna natin yung mga inclusions ng metal adapter for Pocket 3. May kasama itong lock screw, adapter papunta sa camera mount, and ito na yung pinaka-metal adapter natin for the Pocket 3. Kung mapapansin nyo, made out of metal yung labas, pero yung loob niya is made out of rubber, kaya hindi magagasgasan yung ating Pocket 3. Ngayon naman, let's check the inclusions ng ating magnetic camera mount. Of course, meron na ito instruction manual kung paano gamitin. Meron din ito kasamang tali for added security. Ito naman yung pinaka-magnet ng ating adapter. Guys, makapal yung magnet nito kaya sigurado tayo dito basta-basta mahuhulog pag dinikit natin. May kasama din itong extra lock screw, extra ball joint for our camera mount, additional ball joint kung saan natin lalagay yung ating action camera. Ito naman yung adapter kung saan mag-hold yung dalawang ball joint. Made out of metal and high quality yung material na ginamit. Ngayon naman ilagay na natin ating joint rod sa magnetic stick. Ihigpit na lang natin yung knob para mag-lock siya and ilagay na rin natin yung sports camera adapter. Once na malak mo na lahat yun, pwede mo nang ilagay yung metal adapter for Pocket 3. And then guys, tinry ko na agad yung magnet ng ating camera mount. And as expected, napakalakas ng pagka-magnet nito sa metal na attachment. Nilagay ko na rin yung ating Pocket 3 para makita kung gaano katibay. And guys, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-steady lang ng ating mount. So kahit nasa labas kayo, pwede nyo gamitin itong magnetic camera mount from